Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yam frittata. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 medium yams, which will form the delicious base of our dish. We'll also use 6 large eggs, whisked until light and fluffy to bring everything together. Don't forget 1 small onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic for aromatic depth. Finally, have 1/2 cup of your favorite vegetables ready, perhaps some colorful bell peppers or fresh spinach. Now, let's prepare our yams to ensure they are perfectly cooked for the frittata. Begin by peeling and dicing your yams into small, uniform 1/2 inch cubes. This size helps them cook evenly. Next, boil these yam cubes for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, aiming for a tender, crisp texture, not mushy. It is crucial to drain them thoroughly afterward to remove any excess moisture. Finally, give them a quick, light sauté with a pinch of salt and pepper for extra flavor. With our yams ready, it is time to build our delicious frittata. In an oven-safe pan, sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of oil until they become fragrant and translucent. Then, add your chosen vegetables, cooking them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are nicely softened. Evenly distribute the cooked yams and the sautéed vegetables across the bottom of the pan. Finally, pour the 6 whisked eggs gently over this colorful mixture, ensuring everything is well covered. Our frittata is almost ready to enjoy. Place your oven-safe pan into a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until the eggs are fully set and the top is beautifully golden brown. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing it into 6 to 8 generous wedges. For a final touch, garnish with some fresh herbs like parsley or chives. Enjoy your homemade yam frittata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.